A lot of us picture complicated, high-intensity workouts that need costly gym subscriptions or several hours spent at the gym when we consider the possibility of achieving a healthy physique. However, what would you say if I informed you that a straightforward workout, something as fundamental as squats, has the potential to completely change your physique and enhance your general quality of life? That is indeed the truth. Squats are not only beneficial for bodybuilders. In reality, they are a basic activity that imitates the natural movements that we perform on a daily basis. Let's now explore the actual advantages of performing 40 squats daily. Squats are an excellent way to tone your body and improve your health. Learn how this one maneuver may affect your joints, muscles, bones, and more by watching. So, now let's get started. Number 1. Building muscular endurance. Endurance is not just about running great distances. Rather, it is about the capacity of your muscles to continue functioning without being exhausted. Because they test the limits of your leg and core muscles, squats force you to push past weariness. As a result, they cause these muscles to become stronger and more resistant to depletion. If you do squats regularly, your muscles will eventually get more efficient at using oxygen. This means that you will be able to stay going for longer periods of time regardless of what type of exercise you are doing. When you perform squats, your stamina improves, which not only aids in the course of your exercises, but also lessens the likelihood of damage by strengthening the muscles that support your joints. Number 2. Strengthening your bones. When you do a squat, the power that you exert on the ground creates a ripple effect throughout your body, particularly in your legs, hips, and spine. As a result of this pressure, your bone cells are stimulated to generate additional bone tissue, which leads to an increase in bone density. Bones that have a higher bone density are stronger and are therefore less prone to breaking and injury over an extended period of time. Osteoporosis and other medical disorders that are associated with bone loss that occurs with aging might be less likely to occur in people who perform squats on a regular basis. Imagine the boost in self-confidence that comes from being aware that your bones are becoming stronger with every passing day. Number 3. Improving flexibility and mobility. Flexibility is not just important for practitioners of yoga. Performing squats on a regular basis can increase the range of motion in your hips, knees, and ankles. When you move through a full squat, you are forcing your muscles to stretch and develop in ways that improve your mobility. This allows for easier bending, twisting, and even walking. Additionally, it lowers the stiffness that is associated with aging and a sedentary lifestyle, allowing you to remain flexible and active for many years to come. Number 4. Torch calories and boost your heart health. Squats work out the entire body since they involve huge muscle groups. When you squat, your quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, and core all engage, burning calories and pushing your body to its limits. This improves cardiovascular health, controls blood sugar levels, and reduces the likelihood of developing chronic illnesses such as diabetes and heart disease. Additionally, you'll have improved sleep and feel more invigorated in general. It is the ideal recipe for a lifestyle that is healthier and more active. Number 5. Joint health. Squats might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about joint health, but they are really extremely beneficial for your joints. The body's natural lubricant, known as synovial fluid, is circulated throughout the joints of your knees, hips, and ankles by means of this motion. Friction is reduced as a result of this, and your cartilage remains healthy, which helps to avoid any damage or degradation. Our joints become more susceptible to damage as we get older, but performing frequent squats helps to maintain the circulation of fluids, which improves mobility and reduces the degeneration that can eventually lead to osteoarthritis. Number 6. Strengthening your core. Your core is the basis of all movement, ranging from lifting large things to just standing up straight. Your core stabilizes everything. Squatting is among the most effective methods for engaging your core since it requires the use of your abdominal muscles, pelvis, and lower back to maintain your posture and balance. Your core becomes stronger with every squat, which makes doing daily chores simpler and decreases your likelihood of being injured. A strong core is important for maintaining proper posture, supporting the health of the back, and achieving total strength. Make squats a regular part of your exercise program, and you will see a transformation in both your body and your life. Be sure to click the like button, subscribe to Natural Life Hacks, and enable alerts so you will never miss out on a new video if you found this video useful. Let's continue on this path to improving our health together.